This factory right-hand drive is one of only 78 Rambler Matador sedans built in 1976, making these highly collectible. This is a car that is rarely seen on Australian roads with those very low production numbers. Originally sold at Premier Motors in Perth in April 1976, this Matador remained in WA, eventually formed part of the display at the Bodallin Motor Museum as part of the John Ivey Collection. Powered by a 5.9 litre 360 cubic inch Typhoon V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, produces 195 brake horsepower. The Australian assembled Matadors were equipped with power steering, power windows, air conditioning and an AM radio.